you guys, welcome back to my channel and another episode of Test This Skincare Pen. But hold up, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Ohana, our awesome family. I would love to have you a part of our family. Make sure you thumbs up this video, you guys. And so in this episode of Test This Skincare Pen, we are actually testing lemon juice and honey. I know you guys are probably saying you do a lot of Test This Skincare Pens with honey, but a lot of them honestly start with honey. For some odd reason, honey is really popular on Pinterest, and honey is an antiseptic. So I mean, you know, it's all good, especially Manuka honey. One day we should do one with Manuka honey, but Manuka honey is really expensive, you guys. It's like the elite, it's like matcha green tea. So for like a Gukuda, I think Gukuda green tea is like a really high grade of green tea and is higher than matcha. But when Manuka honey is like up there with the honeys, it's like one of the highest grade of honeys, I'm telling you right now. So yeah, but anyways, today we're gonna put them together. Now I will say, if you do not try, now I'm gonna say make sure you test your skin first before you try this pen, this mask. Also, I want to say this: if you have any lacerations on your skin, or if you use a facial scrub at night for your skincare, do not try this pen because it will probably burn your skin. So, you will get a burning feeling. And for all those who say that when you get that burning sensation is cleaning your skin out, no, it's not. No, it is not. And please don't believe that. Please don't. Don't sit there and take the pain. You better wash your face off, because if you don't wash your face off, I'm telling you right now, 3 days from now, you will have either an allergic reaction on your skin, or you will have something acidic happen. So if the pain is burning too much, not a lot, like if it's like a little teeny burn is fine, but if it's literally on fire, wash it off. Please wash it off. So you guys, those are my tips for this episode of Test This Skincare Pen. Make sure you subscribe, and let's get into the video, and let's go. So the recipe on Pinterest said it's literally supposed to give you clear skin, you guys. So lately my skin's been really dry, and what I've been doing to combat that dryness is I've been using my Larimar oil, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com. It's a blue tansy oil that is really smells really good, and it really helps with dryness. It's an all natural, vegan, and cruelty free oil, so make sure you guys check it out, savvynaturalista.com. So I want to show you guys my skin up close so you guys can see the blotchiness, because it's horrible. So let's look at it. So if you can see how blotchy it is right here, and how the I don't know, my face has been acting really weird lately. It's so weird, and I haven't been hormonal, but I'm just showing you guys what it looks like up close and up close. So what we're going to do is put lemon juice and honey to the test to see if it will give me clear skin, because the pen said that it will actually give you clear skin, and it will actually get rid of all the blotchiness you have on your skin. So what I'm going to do is probably put about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice in a bowl. Ooh, this smells good. It smells kind of good. So, and then I'm gonna put a little honey, just a little, not a lot. So we're gonna just put a little honey. Ooh. Side note, we've done a lot of pens with honey. I'm gonna find some more that I don't have to deal with honey. But I really like using honey. Honey is really a great antiseptic, you guys. So, So let's get it. So I'm gonna add just a little more lemon juice just to make sure it's all in here. Ooh, put that lemon juice in, put that lemon juice in, put that lemon juice in. Okay, and so it tells you want to mix it up, so I'm gonna use a cute little spoon to mix it up. Now, the pen didn't say if this was supposed to be warm or cold, so we're gonna see. Now, lemon juice is pretty acidic. It is just like apple cider vinegar. So if you do decide to use this, always remember lemon juice is acidic, but I've never had any issues. This may take a while because The lemon juice is pretty cold and the honey is thick, so you gotta make sure you smear it in. So I know I'm gonna taste it. Y'all know I love to taste these little pens because if you can put it on your face, then you can eat it, right? Yeah. Bomb. So now it says you want to put it on your face. Make sure your skin is clean. I don't have anything on my face, so that's why you guys can see the blotchiness. So make sure your skin is clean, clean, clean. And make sure you try Larimar at SavvyLaTralisa.com. That's our new oil. We're pairing it with Miracle Glow oil, so I'm really excited. So make sure you guys check out the oil. So let's smear it all over our face, you guys. Side note, I really want to say this. While we're putting this on our face, let's smear it all over our face. So it will be a little drippy and it's kind of cold, but I will do anything for clear skin. Is it burning? Oh my God, this is tingling the skin. So I just want to let you guys know there is a little burn to it. The acid is really strong in lemon juice, so be careful. Oh my God, it is burning! Oh! Okay, this stuff is burning. Don't try it. Oh my God. But it's, wait, let me calm down. This is worse than the apple cider vinegar at this point. Oh my God, I'm already up and put it on my face. Okay, let's make this fast. Let's quick this up. And then it shows you're supposed to keep it on the skin for like 30 minutes until it's dry or sticky. But why is it burning? This is so weird. Is it because of the honey too? Because remember we did turmeric and lemon juice and it did not burn like this. Like, I don't want to say it's like burning on fire, but it's like, oh my God, it's like a stinking pain. Okay, I'm gonna speed this process up, you guys. Okay, so I finished putting on my face and I just want to tell you guys a little tips about this pen. Side note, if you have any cuts or any lacerations in your face, like if you use any type of scrub, if you use an acne scrub, a clear scrub, you shouldn't use this because it will burn worse than it's burning on me. If you have any cuts in your lips, it will burn. I have a cut in my lip and the pain I feel for the lemon juice is horrible. And now I want to tell you what I feel after we put the mask on. I literally want to scratch my face off. Like literally, I'm really prepared to like scratch my skin in like relief, but I know better because I just can't be having my face look a mess. So what we're going to do is just keep this on our skin for 30 minutes and pray for a miracle, you guys. Pray for me. Pray for me. But let's do a close up. Let's close it up. So this is what it looks like when it's all on my face. Can you guys see? Voila. So yeah, so we'll pray, okay? We're gonna pray and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so now we're going to wipe it off and it's really sticky, but it's not like sticky, it's like a dry sticky, like it's tightening my skin, which is kind of interesting. I'm kind of excited to see what the aftermath will be of this mask. And the burning, or I will say the stinging, the slight stinging of it did stop, you guys. So I just want to mention that. Just a side note, it was there for a while, then it completely stopped, which is so weird. So let's wipe this off my face. Also want to talk a little bit to you guys about negativity and why you should keep negative people out of your life. So a lot of you know about my sister. If I haven't told you about the situation, then you can look at my video on it. But anyway, so she keeps calling and I don't know, after she laughed in our last conversation, I was trying to have a serious conversation with her. And after she laughed about it, I just totally stopped talking to her last year. So I couldn't understand why she was calling. So I don't answer her calls. Josh does though. So I told him to stop. I was like, please stop answering her calls. Well, anyways, he did not stop answering her calls. So when she called, he picked up the phone and she was very rude to him. Pretty much he was like, she was like, hi Josh, and he was like, what do you want? And then she pretty much didn't ask me how the baby was. She didn't ask me that. She didn't ask me anything. So she pretty much just totally like blew off the situation. Like, she was like, where's Shundara? I need to talk to her. And if it was important, she would have said it was important. Clearly it wasn't important. And he was like, well, she's working. And he was like, well, tell her to call me back. And she hung up the phone on him. So I swear to you guys, after that, an hour after that, my website shut down. This is why you should be keeping negative people out of your life. Because if you don't, your whole day is just horrible. Everything is just bad, you guys. So I finished washing this off my face. And this is what my face looks like, you guys. Oh, just beautiful. So I really hope that me telling you guys that, just know that you got to keep these negative people out of your life. Just keep them out, just like block them. It could be your family, it could be anyone. Some people just feed off of negative energy and positive people's energy. And many of you know I'm a very positive person, and I pretty much tell you guys everything, especially on my vlog channel. I sometimes keep stuff this channel a little more, you know, about skincare, because you guys don't like when I talk about stuff like this. But I just wanted to tell you, sometimes you got to keep those negative people out of your life, you guys. And yeah, she's not in my life no more, and I'm happy. And even if it's family, you have to keep them out of your life. So let's do a close-up of this mask. So this is what my skin looks like after. Do you guys think my skin is clear? The blotchiness is less of it, but I do feel like this is drying my skin out. So I just want to give you guys a few tips if you do decide to try the honey and lemon juice mask. First tip is, one, whatever you do, it will sting. So if you are very sensitive to acidic products, i.e. lemon juice, then you may want to stay clear of this mask. Also, I feel that it did sting. It was a slight stinging, but after I wiped it off my face, there's no allergic reaction. Normally, I'll have an allergic reaction to very acidic products if I put too much on my face, but that is so weird. There was no allergic reaction. But I do feel like it cleared my skin up a little bit. There's no blotchiness. There's no dryness. I think this mask is Shundara approved. I must say, I really like it. It's good to try. And a lot of you were saying stuff like in the comments on the apple cider vinegar and honey one. You guys were saying, just comments like, the reason why it's stinging or it's burning is because the apple cider vinegar is clearing the dirt. No, that is not how that works, you guys. That is so cute for you guys to think, but that is not how it works, or that's really interesting for you to think. That's not how it's worked. Acidic products are very acidic, so they tend to not clean the dirt off the skin. I would say more like give you a reaction. I don't want to say it burns the skin, because it's not literally burning it, but it's stinking. So now that we're finished, we're going to put Miracle Glow oil on our skin. You can find Miracle Glow oil at savvynaturalista.com. Miracle Glow oil contains all natural 24 karat gold in it, so we will be using this oil, and you can find it at savvynaturalista.com. You can also find our new oil Larimar at savvynaturalista.com as well, and it contains blue tansy essential oil, which gives it that pretty color blue. This is the 24 karat gold in it. Now we're just gonna rub it in our face. So you guys, thanks so much for watching this episode of Test This Skincare Pen. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you would like to get to know me, your host, better, make sure you subscribe to my vlog channel, Shandara's Life. Me and Josh do fun challenges, slime challenges. I decided to turn that channel into a challenge / vlog channel, you guys. It's so tongue twister. So make sure you subscribe to that channel, and thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next episode of Test This Skincare Pen. Bye, you guys.